Adamic design covenant toward Jesus. Genesis 1:26. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image and after our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the heavens, and over the livestock of all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth." A covenant is God's designing the perfect conditions for the maximum benefit of each human being he creates. The covenant also is the human responsibilities of complete obedience to maintain the perfect circumstances in human living. Finally, the covenant later expands to include beneficial developments and stages of human experiences. Yahweh, God, Jesus, created the first man in God's image and likeness at least 4,000 plus BC, according to the extensive genealogies in Genesis and Chronicles. God commanded Adam to have complete control of the absolutely perfect environment. In our lives today, we have daily responsibilities of work, house, vehicle maintenance, and repairs. Each of these chores are themselves stewardship responsibilities from the Lord. In Exodus chapter 25 through 30, the tabernacle in the wilderness represents taking care of our homes and jobs and vehicles as stewardship, management, and worship unto the Lord. God gave the historical Adam the covenant responsibilities of developing and maintaining the perfect environment. God, Jesus, gives us responsibilities of nurturing our families daily for Jesus, representing Jesus to our neighbors and friends and co-workers. Each of us has the great opportunity to become a bit more like Jesus today. Wayne Amalung, representing Jesus Christ. Have a Jesus Christ day.